Hey, this is Gail. So we're doing next That by PSY and Suga from BTS, seated on the chair. So that dance fitness routine. It's great for people with classes that have Zumba goals seated or chair yoga dance. So join me here on the seat and we'll do the routine. All right, let me get the music started and we'll get going. Woo! To the chest, here we go. Single, single, double. Again. Woo! Woo! Now, lasso. Again. Other side. Now, fist. Whoa. Now really reach. Again. Oh yeah. Whoa. Again reach. Woo! We're going to do a V step next. Get ready. Here it comes. Here it comes. Switch sides. Now wave. Now come on. Single, single, double. Again. Back to the beginning. Woo! Single. Again. Here we go. Side. Side to side. Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! Now reach.
Can you feel it?
Oh. Can't sing. Oh well. Here we go. Get ready for that B step. Woo! Switch sides. Now let's wave. Woo! Single, single, double. Other side. Woo! Now lasso. Woo! Single, single. Other side. Keep it going. Woo! Woo! Check your heart. Ooh, mine got up to 128. Thanks for joining me for this cardio fitness routine of That by PSY and Suga, the BTS. Thank you all, and see you next time.